Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about I've never laughed harder at them trying to find a product. Confused male DoorDashers are filling up Sephora stores thanks to a beauty sale. I feel like I already know I'm going to hate this just because of the way it's already being presented. Like, it's not surprising that male gig workers at this point are becoming the butt of the joke. Anytime that gig workers are being brought up and gender is being brought up, I'm surprised it's not absolute ridicule to some degree. Now, instead of it being ridicule as in saying they're horrible people, now they're being laughed at for just trying to fulfill an order. Like, that's ridiculous to me. So with that said, we are talking about everything that's being presented in this article, how it actually is for DoorDash, UberEats, and Grubhub drivers and customers, whether they're male or female, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. Male DoorDashers flooded Sephora after the two companies announced a limited time promotion on the app. The videos are cracking up Sephora regulars. Let the record show that the people laughing are Sephora regulars. They're not people who just go into any store and know how to navigate that store. I promise you, I am a guy, I don't know how to navigate a makeup section, let alone a makeup store. So I would probably be just as lost and probably laughed at just as much. What was the Sephora x DoorDash sale? DoorDash offered a one-day sale on July 23rd, which allowed shoppers to take $50 off a purchase of $100 at Sephora for 8,000 orders. The sale was exclusive to Dash Pass members and could not be applied to pick up orders. That means DoorDashers had to go to the store and select the items in person. Okay, well, at least it was limited to the point to where it only applied to 8,000 people. But man, I just feel like that is a marketing scam in a way, because they not only got the initial sale out, they got all of the content of all of their DoorDashers that are apparently these horrible, evil people just trying to do their work and trying to fulfill orders on DoorDash. While the makeup store primarily caters to women customers, the sale brought in many male delivery drivers who had to sift through the shelves to pick the exact shade requested on the order. Yeah, about that, let me tell you guys how frustrating it is. And this is exactly why I don't do orders at makeup stores unless it's literally I just go in and out. That's it. Like, there are ladies who will not do shopping orders in makeup sections at pharmacies, let alone in Sephora, a store dedicated to makeup. So the fact that it's confusing a lot of male delivery drivers, it really has nothing to do with it, because this goes both ways. It's systematically screwed. This is why I only do shopping orders on Walmart Spark, because they have it set up to where they will point you to the exact shelf of the item that you need, as opposed to DoorDash, which says a generalized location, aisle 4, this section, whatever. How am I supposed to figure that out? DoorDash also offers deliveries from beauty stores like Lush, CVS, Sally Beauty, and Victoria's Secret. And 99% of Dashers hate those orders, regardless of gender. How did shoppers react? Several shoppers posted clips of the visibly confused male DoorDash drivers filling Sephora baskets with makeup and skincare products. One shopper posted two male DoorDashers standing in front of a shelf of makeup looking for the right product. On-screen text reads, "The DoorDash Sephora promo has men out here searching for the perfect shade of nude for the girls." What? They're trying to do their job in an area of work that they're not familiar with? Whoa! Another showed the picture her DoorDash driver sent her of the long line of men waiting at the Sephora checkout. I really hope that they never had a problem with the red card, because holy crap, would that have been a major issue. Imagine a red card declining for the 15th guy in front of you, and the whole line just goes, ugh. And we all know it, because that's just the system it is. One DoorDasher filmed himself in Sephora sharing his own POV while furrowing his brow as customers walked around. Doing DoorDash and finding out Sephora has an amazing deal today the hard way. The on-screen text read. The man is just sweating bullets, I'm telling you. Commenters react. In the comments, viewers praised male DoorDashers for their effort in an unfamiliar and busy store. Didn't realize the DoorDashers shopped the order. Presumed the associates did and handed it to them. My male dasher did a great job. Everything was perfect, one wrote. Mine did so good. He even called and asked if I wanted a diff setting spray because they didn't have the one I wanted in stock, another said. You know, I'm glad that there's at least a little bit of praise here because I'm getting sick and tired of all of the lady customers talking about how horrible they have it for having a male driver. Like, really? Others said they lucked out by getting a woman DoorDasher. I got my order today, delivered at 11 a.m. My dasher was a female, so I know that's why I got everything I ordered, a commenter said. I got lucky, and my dasher was a female. Quick and painless, lol, another wrote. My dasher was a woman and picked everything in 5 minutes, and I live a minute from the mall. So I got super lucky, a third ad. You know, I'm glad they at least kept it to praising women dashers as opposed to ridiculing male dashers. Like, I'm getting sick and tired of that kind of commentary. Like, it's still sexist that they said they lucked out by getting a woman, but still. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. Then you pay me. There you go. Honestly, I didn't know about the sale, and if I did, I would not be touching this department, I swear to God. I already hate shopping orders on DoorDash, but the fact that it's a sale for 8,000 people and they're going to be swarming the store, that would be stressful to me in general. The fact that it's cracking up Sephora regulars wasn't exactly presented in the article, at least to me. Like, I could tell that there are some TikToks here that are literally highlighting that, but even still. Also, I'm glad that the male versus female thing was all kept positive. The guy did a good job and you lucked out by getting a woman. Not, oh my God, I got a guy, how horrible that was for you. So I'm glad that was taken out. It still teeters on the line of sexism, but nevertheless. Either way, if you are a dasher during this period of time, let me know in the comments. I want to know exactly what was taking place, because I can imagine somebody replacing an item and the red card declining, and everyone is just stressed out about the situation. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time.